Hello, welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. So here is my very first Scentbox subscription. Now I got one for my husband and one for myself because there is a cologne that he really wanted. I don't even know how to open this thing. Oh, it would help if I had my glasses on and could see details, but alright. So there was a cologne that he really wanted. I said, well, Scentbox will probably have it and then you'll be able to get that. So we got the premium version because he figured it'd be a premium kind of thing. It ended up not being a premium scent, but that's alright. He ended up picking out a couple more that were scented. This is the scent of the month, is the Coach EDT or whatever. I don't know much about scents, so I've never really worn perfume before. So I got the Dolce, Rosa, excelsa by Dolce & Gabbana, or Gabbana, I don't know. I'm not fancy enough, I'm sorry you guys. Ooh, fancy, it's purple. So here's the first. There's the box it comes in, it's nicely packaged. This is a really nice box, magnet, everything. So your first month, if you sign up now, is just $9.77. I'm reading it off of here. A month, and that's just for the regular. The premium, I think, will equal out to be like 15 something maybe. So this is the only thing I don't like about this versus, oh, that smells good. Scent Bird will actually have the scent on the bottle itself. So it's kind of a bummer that this isn't. Oh, okay, never mind. It's not that bad. It's on the bottom. Never mind. Figured it out, you guys. So, I never wore perfumes before, so now I can say that I have. I love this little, look how easy that is. So we'll give it a little spray. There we go. Very floral, that's for sure. Alright. This one is for my husband. Now, we both ended up getting the premium one. I kind of think that I would have been fine just getting just the regular one because they had a lot of good colognes and perfumes for just the not premium version. But anyway, so they also have an upgrade where you, for an extra 11 something a month, you can get 2 scents per month instead of just one. So he got this nice gray or silver one. Same box and everything. And then it says Aqua di Gio. And again, it only has it on the bottom of this, not on the bottle itself. Oh, that smells really good. Alright. So there's two different ones. I would prefer, honestly, to get a silver one than this purple one, but I still like the packaging. They're very convenient to put in your purse or just, like, if you're going somewhere, they should be travel friendly. I don't see why they wouldn't be. They're definitely not that many. I don't know if it says how many fluid ounces, but alright, so this will also show the female scent of the month and the men's scent of the month on either side. So maybe I'll try. I don't know why I keep smelling this like it's a scratch and sniff. It's not. But it'll say it's got roses, grapefruit, pear, and sandalwood. I wish they would put a card like this for the scent that you got. Okay, so here's 15% off if you get the full-size bottle as well. Which maybe one day I will, but until I find like the scent that I'm just like, oh, in love with, I'm never going to get an expensive bottle of perfume. So, we'll see. And, yeah, it's the same exact card in both, so it's the same stuff. So again, it's $9.77 for your first month. And then I believe after that it's $13.95, but it could be more. It might be like close to $15. It's hard to tell with the website how it's showing right now. Yeah, it's $13.95 a month, and it's $18.95 a month for the premium. So $13.95 a month for standard, and then with premium, I'm not even going to bother showing you that. With premium, it'll actually, before you even buy it, it'll show you a lot of different premium scents. And they do have a lot of really good scents as well. but it doesn't let you preview the standard, so you don't get to see what kind of scents you would get with that. So it kind of makes you get the premium in a way because you're not really sure what's on the standard. So, whew, that's pretty strong. I'm not really sure if I like that one, to be honest. It smells too chemical to me. It smells better just smelling this than it does once it's on me. Like there's a little bit of like a rose smell, and then after that it's just chemical, like just hits you. But maybe that's because I'm just not used to perfumes, because growing up my mom was allergic to everything or had really bad asthma, so I could not have anything scented. Not like even shampoo had to be Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. So I'm experiencing all the wonderful scents in the world now. So anyway, that is the Scentbox subscription, and here's the box that it comes in. Sleek, nice packaging. It's got this really sturdy foam in here, so that's really nice. Fits in there. It's a nice box though. I might even use that just for, take the foam out and use it as just a separate little container for Christmas or something for packaging. Cover up the Scentbox with a to and from sticker. That's a suggestion, I suppose. Alright. Anyway, there it is. Thanks.